What's the meaning of averse? Averse. Averse.
Averse. Averse. The word averse means to have a strong feeling of dislike or opposition toward something. It is often used to describe a person's negative attitude or reluctance towards a particular idea, action, or situation. This feeling of aversion can manifest in many ways, such as avoidance, resistance, or even hostility. For example, someone might be averse to taking risks, averse to change in their workplace, or averse to eating certain foods. Ultimately, being averse means having a deep-seated feeling of opposition that can influence one's behavior and decision-making.